Yeah, nice little shade right here. Do some practice drills. Oh, sticks right here. Get them out of here. Yep. See if this works here. What you do is just go like this. Okay, like that. Nice little U-turn, yep. You can also practice your U-turns here. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna drop the stupid bike. Yeah, this is a good place to drop it. Yeah, this is a place to where people drop it when they do slow maneuver stuff. They look like a fool in front of the postman. Nice little shade right here too. Yeah, little shade. A little tight. Have a good day. I'll give you a little more room here. We're gonna run into the postman, the mail truck. Whoa. Yeah. Jeez. Almost dumped it again. Yeah. I've been riding for almost 3 years, about 3,006 miles. This is the only bike I've ever been on, other than the one on the MSF course. I think it was 2 of them because I had to retake the damn course. Yeah. I don't know, the second day of the MSF course, I wasn't really into it. It's like the day before, I didn't really sleep that well. I don't know why. It was an early one. It's a 6 a.m. one, 7 a.m. So anyways, I think I've effed up a few times and during the test, and of course, you know what? I'm gonna have you come back next time, reschedule, because let me turn this thing off so it overheats. And it seemed like you weren't on your game. Yeah, I understand, because you got to make sure you're doing the maneuvering right, because otherwise you get on the road and it's a scary place. You can die if you make a mistake. Yeah. Probably a good idea. Yeah, he gave me the option of he's a cool guy. I think he's still doing it. OC Motors something. Forgot the guy's name. I can think of the guy's name who was doing it. It's in Fullerton. So I'm just gonna keep going. Fortunately, I was able to go to one like 2 weeks later. Did an afternoon one because I don't want to get up too early. And it's kind of a warm day, but I got through and got my got to do the test, the written test, and then get my M1 license. Okay. Yeah, this was pretty foreign to me when I first started. I mean, I know it's foreign to a lot of people. And of course, when you turn, don't want to look down. You want to turn your head. Oh, I put a foot down. Yep. Yeah. It's kind of hard when you have a bag on your back. A lot of times I'll just take the bag off when I'm practicing. Throttle control. Yep. Definitely taught us that during MSF course. Yep. Okay. There are a lot of twigs on the ground. Could be a hazard. I mean, I do better making U-turns going left because we're used to making U-turns going left here. I know in Europe they probably make a lot of right U-turns. Yep. Because they're on the other side of the road. I mean, UK that is, and Australia. So, we practice that. I need to let the bike cool down a little bit. It's kind of hard to do when it's warm. Warm outside and you're going slow in the parking lot. Kind of hard to keep the bike cool. I find it that challenge when you're going slow in the parking lot. It's starting to cool down a little bit. I'm gonna take a sip of water because I want to stay hydrated out here. It's in the 90s on October day. I'm in gear. So I try to move. I can't really move anywhere, but if you're in neutral, you're gonna move. So it's good to keep the bike locked in the lock position at the end of the day, or when you're in the parking lot going to the store or something. I don't want to spend too much time in the store because they may steal your bike. It's easy to steal, but putting it in gear and put it in lock mode will make it harder for thieves to steal it. I'm gonna probably do a few more, and then I'm probably gonna do the emergency braking. Yeah. See, I haven't been doing this in a while. I mean, you definitely need to practice this regardless of how much experience you have. You gotta stay sharp out there. Yep. Gotta hug the tank. Yep, hug the tank when you're doing that too. And that's what they taught us. Oh yeah, I feel like I moved over a twig. Yeah, those twigs, man. Yeah, these are horrible. I'm gonna do one more. I'll do now is, I think that's a good distance for braking. About 20 miles an hour and then slow down. It's 20 miles an hour. Maybe a little too far. I'd say probably, yeah, it could have been something you ran into. A car. Fudge. That sucks. There cones! Yeah, good old wedding singer. You're not gonna make it. Yeah, they're cones. They could have been people. There could have been people at your wedding. Gotta love that movie. I gotta love that movie. Oh, Adam Sandler. They're cones. The limo driver. And the limo driver was trying to like do like a little race drill, trying to get back in time to put the bride and the groom in the car. Kind of funny. You know what scene I'm talking about. They're cones. Yeah, probably tell the instructor that. Probably family right off the bat. Probably need more of a stopping space, so I may do 3 lanes. Okay. There cones. Yeah, I put the stupid kickstand up. Motorcycling 101. Yep. Yep. I think that's a little too hard of a brake. Yeah, you know, it seems like the anti-lock brakes kicked in. Which is a good thing because I'd probably be on the ground. Yeah. This bike's probably saved me a million times, but I've never gotten that situation though yet. I mean, you grab the brake, front brake, and then dump it. And cool off a little bit. There you go, slower speed or something, slow speed. Gotta slow down a little bit. Goodness. Okay. Slow. Okay. What I may do, I may just go back and forth like that. Probably a very important thing to practice for sure is your emergency braking and your swerving. Yep. I'm making these U-turns. Okay. Practice that orange. Okay. You want to squeeze gradually. Gradually. Okay. Yeah, I got the anti-lock brake activated. I was going a little too fast for that range. I think it's like 20 miles an hour. You probably want to go faster than that. Andre, don't touch that. Dang it.
I want to thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, share this video, leave your comments. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.